समरकंद में शंघाई तावन तंज़ीम का इजलास जारी है। वज़ीराअज़म शहबाज शरीफ खिताब कर रहे हैं।
Menace of extremism, separatism and terrorism and wipe it out from the face of the earth. Excellencies, I am coming from Pakistan, where floods have devastated ordinary life over there. Millions of people have been displaced. 1,400 people have been killed, including 400 children. And million houses have been partially or completely damaged. I've been in public life for the last 40 years. I have never seen with my eyes this kind of terrible devastation. It is catastrophic, of proportions unknown to the people of Pakistan, and of course, by extension, to the entire world. We are very grateful to honorable members sitting on this table who have come to our help at this time of dire need, when millions of people are living under open skies. Stagnant water is giving rise to waterborne diseases. Children getting malaria and diarrhea, temperature, all kinds of diseases have hit millions of Pakistanis in those marooned areas. Great faces sitting on this table, which I know personally have been extremely kind to the people of Pakistan generally, and to the affected people especially, for extending their support, valuable support at this time of need. But the question at issue is that while I count the damages inflicted upon us, like standing crops over hundreds and thousands of acres, all washed away. Livestock, 1 million livestock, all gone. And I'm not going to pitch any figure for the purpose of letting you know what is the quantum of economic loss, but it definitely runs into billions of dollars as I speak. By the grace of God and with Allah's help and your support, we will fight it out, inshallah, and we will be over the hump soon, one day soon. But the question at issue is that while the President, my brother Shafkat, has spoken about climate change, these devastating floods in Pakistan are most definitely climate change induced. It is a result of climate change. Cloud outbursts, unprecedented rains, combined with hill torrents coming down, all this put together made Pakistan look like a sea of water in all the four corners of Pakistan. We are going to stand on our own feet, but the point at issue is, will this be the last time a country is going to be victim of this devastation? Or God forbid, others will also become victim of this tragedy. That is the point at issue. And this is where I would appeal to all of you and request to all of you earnestly that let SCO stand up and build a wall against this menace. But that can be done only through a well thought out plan, a plan which is sustainable through structures and through programs over a span of time. Because today this injustice has befallen upon us. Our carbon emission is less than 1%. Yet nature, destiny had this in store for us. But I think I want to be very honest and straight and very humbly request that let's at this forum make a plan to save our future generations. Excellencies, I would also like to welcome the new dialogue partners of SCO, namely Saudi Arabia, Turkey, Egypt, Qatar, Bahrain, Maldives, UAE and Myanmar. We also support the request by Belarus for full membership of SCO. Inclusion of these friendly countries into the SCO family would further strengthen the organization. Let me conclude by reaffirming Pakistan's strong and unwavering commitment in advancing the objectives of the SCO. And most definitely I will join my voice with the voices here that let's start a very robust connectivity plan. And of course, when we move towards connectivity of Central Asian countries with neighboring countries, full transit rights would automatically accrue. There is no discussion about it, of course. And it will be a win-win outcome for all the member states. I think this is the time to act and act now. Thank you very much.
شنگھائی تعاون تنظیم کا سربراہی اجلاس جاری ہے۔ وزیراعظم شہباز شریف نے اجلاس سے خطاب کیا۔ وزیراعظم کا خطاب کرنے ہوئے کہنا تھا کہ شنگھائی تعاون تنظیم اجلاس علاقائی مسائل کے حل کے لیے بہترین پلیٹ فارم ہے۔ پاکستان کا امن افغانستان کے امن سے جڑا ہے۔ خطے میں امن و امان کے لیے تمام رکن ممالک کو کام کرنے کی مزید ضرورت ہے۔ خوشحال، ترقی یافتہ اور تعلیم یافتہ افغانستان خطے کے تمام ممالک کے لیے اہم ہے۔ آپ کو اہم خبر سے آگاہ کریں کہ شنگھائی میں SCO کا اجلاس جاری تھا۔ وزیراعظم شہباز شریف سے خطاب کر رہے تھے۔ وزیراعظم نے خطاب کرتے ہوئے کہا کہ انسانی ہمدردی کی بنیاد پر افغانستان کو معاشی طور پر مضبوط کرنے کی ضرورت ہے۔ افغانستان پاکستان کا ہمسایہ ملک اور امن کی ضمانت ہے۔ افغانستان کو نظر انداز کرنا بہت بڑی غلطی ہوگی۔ افغان حکومت عوام و اقلیتوں کے بنیادی حقوق کا احترام کرے۔ افغانستان میں خواتین کے حقوق کا خیال رکھا جائے۔ پاکستان عالمی حدت اور موسمیاتی تبدیلی کے اثرات کے زیر اثر ہے۔ موسمیاتی تبدیلی کے اثرات کی قیمت پاکستان نے سیلاب کی تباہ کاریوں کی صورت میں چکائی۔ نیوز اسٹوڈیو سے فی الوقت اتنا ہی۔ مزید خبروں سے باخبر رہنے کے لیے دیکھتے رہیے کوہنور نیوز۔